Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. So in today's video, I am decluttering, cleaning, organizing, and purging, just going in on my kitchen cabinets. Every year before Christmas and especially before the new year, I like to declutter, donate, and purge as much as I can. And with the new year coming in, I like to deep clean every room and every area in my home. I know we're only in November, y'all, but trust me, start decluttering now and you will thank yourself later. If you enjoy seriously motivating cleaning videos and enjoy organizing and decluttering like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So I'm starting by taking everything out of the cabinets. I'm only doing it section by section because I don't want everything out and to get overwhelmed. So for instance, this is my first section with these cabinet drawers open and I'm just taking everything out. Then I will be checking for expiration dates, making sure everything is good, and of course wiping everything down. If you're a long-time subscriber, this was one of my first videos, was organizing my cabinets. The layout that's on it, the white marble, I actually got that from the dollar store, and the wired bins that I use, I got from the dollar store as well. So here I'm organizing the teas, medicines, and the vitamins that we have in the kitchen. I've gotten these clear bins from the dollar store and they work so well. In today's video, I'm not focusing on getting new bins and things for everything to store in because I already had them up there. I'm just more focusing on seeing if anything is expired, things that I don't even need, and just purging and donating as much as I can just so I can have more space. Under your spotlight.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was a feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
So right here in this clip, you guys, I don't know if you can tell, but the video quality just completely changed. I record all of my videos on my phone. I have the iPhone 12 and it has the 3 cameras. I don't know what's going on. Sometimes it records so good and I've gotten compliments on the quality of my videos, and then all of a sudden they look like this. They look foggy. I don't know if it's the lighting in my kitchen or the sun moving outside, but I just wanted to point that out. You'll slowly see some of the clips looking really good, and then you'll see some of the clips looking not that good.
Feel me like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat. Like a hell. Like a Hellcat.
Won't you wake up now and see? Don't hide away the things you're feeling. Unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you. You should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you. Please just open up your eyes. There's a universe inside you. Inside you, so much more than people know. I've seen you fighting your emotion. I hope you stay and won't let go. There's a universe inside you, so much love to leave behind. Stop the path of devastation. You should live for all the hype. Inside you, why are you pushing it away? Leave behind your own deception and learn to live another day. There's a universe inside you, your galaxy of happiness. I just wanna help you find it. We'll explore in baby steps. There's a universe inside you. You've gotta give it room to breathe. So let the universe excite you, 'cause that's the way it's meant to be.
Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you found it helpful, motivating, satisfying, all of the above. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video.